Sorry. Okay, I did something wrong, but we are going to make it right. So this is an important section of your activity plan. Yes, whatever you decide to do with your objectives, how you write them, what do you focus, and all of the decisions you make in regards to your activity. Okay, so we go to the Word document once more. Think of your doubts. So again, here your names, the grade, or the student's age, the title. Remember, in this case, one fish, two fish is to be read with children, with very young children here in South America, for example. Children are learning vocabulary, lots of vocabulary, very simplistic vocabulary. And so we decided as objective, the first verb, describe. Yes, yeah, it's an action, it's an observable action. What do we describe? Fish and other creatures. Yes, because Dr. Seuss mentions fish and other creatures that are different kinds of creatures, not monsters exactly, but well, not real fish, and some kind of language element. For example, qualifying adjectives like we said, big, small, fat, thin. Also colors, blue, red, yellow, black, white. So this is one decision I make with this story. Okay. Well, we said that the approach and the method is literature-based. Yes. And here you decide on one, whether this interactive, reading aloud, or any of this. Then you write the name of the book again and how you're going to include collaboration. So Vanessa already wrote here something like, we're going to work together. Vanessa is going to present the activity. Paola is going to show the pictures, whatever. Yes. So you include here your collaboration, and we will include all students with all of the students in the classroom. Remember that you need visual images. You need to repeat the words because students, as you saw, do you remember about the learning styles? Your students also have different learning styles. And so they learn by in auditory way, in visual way, or in movement. Yes, as we said. They learn also by doing something with their hands, painting, writing, eventually, or doing some other activities physically. Yeah, physically, like for example, planting seeds, or going on an excursion, or visiting the park, whatever, depending on the story. Okay. Then, or again, the objective is written here. Then, how do you do this opening? With visual clues, images, vocabulary in general, presentation of the vocabulary in written, in oral, in auditory way. You repeat words and you show images, of course. Remember that everything I write with italics is an example. ¿Sí? Todo lo que está escrito en esta letra es un ejemplo, ¿verdad? Luego lo tienen que cambiar en su plan. ¿Yes? Luego, simulation. For example, how do you motivate your students? You, again, by showing pictures, by showing a video, something that is surprising for them, or you ask questions. Remember the pre-reading activities, previous knowledge. Remember that that teacher that asks about other books, about monsters, and so she prepares that knowledge of the students. Okay, Vanessa, yes, I will see you. ask me if you have any question tomorrow. Yeah? Again, so here is stimulation. For example, we said children like superheroes, they like videos, they like songs, images in general. So all of them can be motivational elements. Then you give instructions. And remember, all the teachers we saw also in the videos give instructions, students pay attention, listen to instructions. And so you need to think of those instructions you need to give your students in order, yes? Pay attention to the story, look at the pictures, listen to the story. So you think which are the instructions, and then how you finish. What do you want to do as follow-up? You want to go outside, you want to write, create something, paint. You decide on this activity. Do you understand these activities? All of these sections?
Más o menos, teacher.
Ajá.
Can you repeat again, please?
¿Por qué no, Phoebe? ¿Qué parte no entendemos? Elements. And we will finish very shortly. So we go step by step with the elements. Yes, so we need to apply pre-reading activities, strategies. Yes, remember you ask questions. Remember Snoopy, you have lots of ideas there. Then you need your reading techniques. Which techniques are you going to apply? Are you going to change your voices, make noises, some elements of some techniques when you're reading? Then the elements, the ones we explained, for example, which are the elements I'm going to talk about? I'm going to talk about characters, settings, themes, messages. What is the most important thing in this story? Yeah? And we gave lots of examples. Ya dimos ejemplos de las estructuras, de los elementos, o de la estructura, como quieran, como decidan. So this is up to your decision. Then which activities I'm going to do as a follow-up? So do you show understanding by writing, by doing an outdoor activity, by creating something? You choose this follow-up. Then how are the students going to interact? Are they going to work in groups, in pairs, only with a teacher? What are we going to do here? And then which are the materials? Yes, which materials can you use here? You have puppets, so serían los títeres, for example, or posters, or flashcards, videos, songs, worksheets, tareas escritas, questions, whatever. Yeah, this is up to you, all of the materials you need. And then some questions for reflection. So this is the final activity. Let me check here.
Yes.
Oh, okay, so we repeat once more just to have the video completed. So again, please check. Upload the draft, the first draft for feedback to week 14. Yes, with the project, the activity. Yes. Then you prepare your video, put together everything you need, think of the video. And remember, you have no more than 7 minutes. You need to participate equally and use the software you choose. The video's final versions need to be by 23rd December, so you have wonderful Christmas Eve and Christmas. And then you will receive your, this supervisor's checklist will provide you with the evaluation, yes, with the results. And classmates will comment on the videos of classmates, yes, because this will be uploaded to a forum. So in the agreements, we will have two groups of agreements. The first agreement related to the writing activity, and the second agreement here will be dedicated to the video and this final project. Yes? Do you agree?
Yes. Yep, yep, yep.
Okay. Okay, girls.